Today I want to talk to you about something that I'm very excited about. Yes, it is this amazing planner that I have in my hand. A planner that helps me plan. I guess that's normal for anyone and everyone, but the peculiarity of this planner is wherever I go, it fits in my bag. You know how ladies' bags are? They're like a pitara. You put in, it's like a jack in the box, and you have almost everything. In this particular planner, they've put in very artistically, sequenced all the classical dance forms, dance formers, and also certain things that are of value to heritage and culture. Another thing that I find very interesting in this planner is that the pages have been put in without the dates. You know, there are some days where you have so much to do and you have so much to write. But there are some days where if you want it blank, you leave it blank, all the way better. Of course, we all use modern technology today. We use texts, we use computers, we use various other things. But when you sketch something, when you write something, when you draw something, it means more to me for some reason. Sometimes an idea just needs to be put into a pencil. Just an image. And that's what this diary does. I have these pages in here where I can scroll in, imprint in, or draw in. Of course, we'll write it. I love this piece of art and I want to share this with you. Check it out.